Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Barakatah.
H.O.I.
To all my brothers and the sisters that keep the law and the faith.
Till the chariots fly.
On the highways, byways, pushing commandments to all of my people. In a place where they never were equal. And the people who run it are evil. Shooting us down in the street, poison the food that we eat, poison the water we drink, making it hard to think the devil is playing for keeps. They get the money and go, leaving us stuck on the bottom. Soon as they spot them, they got them. I tell you the devil is rotten. I know that them niggas is scheming and plotting. It won't be forgotten. Yahweh is watching. Soon as he give us the power, my nigga, you know that we getting it poppin'. Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai made my.
The Lord shall smite thee with madness and blindness and astonishment of heart.
Right? Behind the line. Nobody's here but you, bro. Nobody's here but you. You don't know how to dress. Back, bro. You got a shirt in the morning. Jake is lost. Bring that up.
This is Sirach chapter 11 and verse 7. Blame not before thou hast examined the code. Blame not before thou hast examined the code. Understand first and then rebuke.
You gotta understand what's going on and then rebuke, man.
A large population of
So Jake has no decorum, no how to dress. Where you bring that, brother? You know what?
Sirach chapter 11 and verse 7. Blame not before thou hast examined the truth. Understand first and then rebuke.
We don't want to know who you are.
Right, man. We don't need to know. Right? What's next, man?
Hey, don't nobody engage that brother, man.
Sirach chapter 11 and verse 7. Blame not before thou hast examined the truth. Understand first and then rebuke. Answer not before thou hast heard the call.
Right, answer not. That's worth the cause, brother.
Neither interrupt men in the midst of their talk.
You gotta stop being rebellious, brother.
This man is born false witness.
Bring out Job 6:20.
You not asking me how did he bear false witness. You saying no, don't say that. That's blind. That's covering of the truth, brother. If I'm telling you this brother was false witness, and you didn't say, well, how did he say? How
Why you gotta be that guy?
You said what?
Why you gotta be that guy? We gonna give you a chance.
Which guy am I being? Ignorant because
Chapter 5, verse 21.
Don't say nothing else.
This is Job chapter 6 and verse 21. Verse 20. They were confounded because they had hope. They came thither and were ashamed.
You don't know who I am. You said what? Yes. Because I stand up for women. That's why. Because I stand up for children. That's why. Because I stand up for men. That's why.
This is Job chapter 6 and verse 20. They were confounded because they had hope. They came thither but were ashamed.
Brother told me that the white man got everything on.
And you embarrassing
That is not
yourself.
true.
Bring that up.
These are my shoes right here. These are black. I didn't buy these from nowhere.
Early in the morning.
The Chinese
With
the Lord said, woe unto them.
Rise up early in the morning. That they made full strong drink.
So brothers following strong drink. He rose up real early in the morning, got drunk, came in the city, and acting a fool. Bring out Sirach 9:7.
Bring that up, man.
Foolish, man. Hold that. Go to Ecclesiastes chapter 5, verse 1.
Bring it out.
Did he buy it? Did he make this crown?
Sirach chapter 9 and verse 7. Look not round about thee in the streets of the city, neither wander thou in the solitary places thereof.
Right. Read it more in time. We're going to break it down.
God, this is Sirach chapter 9 and verse 7. Look not around in the street. Look not round about in the streets of the city.
Right, don't walk all up and down the street being all idle, not knowing what's going on, not knowing the day it is. Right?
Neither wander thou in the solitary places thereof.
That's how you get robbed.
I know you don't. don't. You clearly don't. Ah, why you being mad? I thought you said it was all. It sounds like you
See,
being
then you walk circumspectly. Not as fluid.
Why you gotta walk circumspectly? Even when you walking in the street, even in this street, Bible, you gotta walk circumspectly. That's right. Ain't no little problem. Right, go on.
Look at my
Bring it
wrist.
out.
But that's why.
Look at my wrist. What won't I do? What is you talking about? I ain't running up on you.
I'm letting you know.
Why you making it seem like I'm trying to be aggressive to you? And I'm not.
You heard what I said, bro.
I'm talking about why is he making it seem like I'm being Ray said don't run up on him. He's making it seem as if I'm trying to do him harm. I didn't come over here to do nobody harm. Bro, I'm not with Black Lives Matter. Y'all control a large block of the minds of our people. So therefore, it's important that you talk to
Y'all
me.
don't engage the nigga.
Look at the words you use. You're not fit.
You know what I'm saying?
Man, you're not fit.
Eric, you said no? Why not? We understand that's somewhere. We got to show you the truth. Right.
That's why you gotta do niggas like that. You gotta let them walk away. When you engage,
The book of Deuteronomy, chapter 28 and verse 68. And the Lord shall bring thee into Egypt again.
All right, this is Moses speaking to the Israelites. He said, y'all are going to go back into Egypt again. Right? Now you familiar with the book of Exodus? Right? Have you seen the movie Ten
You good,
Commandments?
King.
Remember already left Egypt. But now they're in another land, right? And he said you're going to go back to Egypt. Right? But the problem with that is there's no account where those Israelites walk back to Egypt. Right? So is Moses lying? No. Right? We're going to break it down. We're going to break down the word Egypt. Get a better understanding of verse 68. Bring it up.
Exodus chapter 20 and verse 2. I am the Lord thy God, which have brought thee out of the land of Egypt, out of the house of bondage.
Out of the house of bondage. So you understand what Egypt means now, right? Bondage. What's another word for bondage? A synonym. Or slavery, right? Captivity, servitude. Right? Those words are similar to the word bondage. Go back to Deuteronomy 28, start from the top.
This is Deuteronomy chapter 28 and verse 68. And the Lord shall bring thee into Egypt again
Right?
with ships.
So you're going to go into captivity, slavery, or servitude all over again. But how?
With ships.
How did the ancestors get to America? How did the ancestors get to America? Both, right? Slavery. Right? We read about that in the Bible. That was thousands of years ago.
By the way whereof I spake unto thee, thou shalt see it no more again.
Have y'all seen your homeland? Nope.
And there ye shall be sold unto your enemies.
To your best friend.
Unto your enemies.
Your lovers.
Unto your enemies.
Your ex.
Unto your enemies.